Hello and welcome to this video. On this video, we're going to be replacing some timers, the old mechanical style that times some lights in our house, with the new smart plug types. And this particular type, there comes two to a box. So I'll open up the box here in a minute. I'll show you what's inside. Inside the box comes a basic set of instructions and a couple of units. So you can use these with either like your iPhone, with an application that you can download here with these QR codes. Or we use one called Smart Life that we've downloaded to our iPhones. And then you can run this off the iPhone itself or the Amazon Echo or the Google Home unit. And any of those will work with this. They're all compatible. So all you got to do is get them all set up, and we'll share that here in a minute. So here's the old timer. It's mechanical that we want to replace with this new all electronic version. So we can just simply unplug this and plug the new one in. And then you're going to have to usually push this button to reset it. And then you'll plug in your new device. And then now we're going to use our iPhone to find this outlet, and then we'll name it. And then we'll be able to control it and set the timer on it. So when you set up your unit, you're going to have to give it a unique name. In our case, we've named this Candle B. And so you can use your iPhone to turn it on and off, which we'll do here. So it's on, off. Or we can use, in this case, our Amazon Echo. Alexa, turn on Candle B. And so that works. Now we're going to show you how to set it up as a timer. As shown on our iPhone here, we have it set up as a timer. So what you do is you tell it what time to turn on and what time to turn off each day, either AM or PM. And then how many days of the week is on a different screen. And you'll be able to set it up for which days you want to pick, like every day, and then it'll automatically do it from now on. You won't have to have anything, you won't have to talk to your Amazon Echo to turn it on or off or anything. It'll all be automatic from here on out. So that's really all there is to it. It's pretty easy setup. Thanks for watching.